Hello, welcome to the CSSD department of the new trauma center at Smart City Project Tumkuru. This is the complete CSSD department designed and manufactured, installed by Messrs. Genis Technocracy Private Limited from Punjab, Chandigarh and Punjab. Please welcome, we will take you to the internal sterilization area. Please come in. This is the entrance where we have put up the board. And this is the bigger autoclave, double door, sliding, pneumatic door autoclave for sterilization with a high speed, high pressure autoclave. This is the loading trolley. There is an automatic sliding door is there. So right now we have put the door on the sliding. So now we will come to the smaller autoclave. This is 6 cubic feet. Again this is sliding automatic double door autoclave, and this is the loading trolley for the sterilization purpose. This is a sterile area provided by the department. So now let us go back to this. This is the storage area. It's for all completely done by Messrs. Genis Technocracy with SS stainless steel grade of 304 because it is a medical grade. This is a mesh rack for storing the sterile items here, all the instruments and the garments, suits, everything. And here is a flash autoclave which is used for emergency purpose, manufactured by Genis again. So this is a very good fast sterilization autoclave. 23 liters capacity. With this we have a compressor for complete 200 liters, and 3 HP motor is used for sliding doors and pneumatic purpose, high pressure air control. Okay, so now we'll enter into this is the complete panel board. For individual purpose, we have a complete panel board for all the instruments around here established by the Smart City. Okay, please welcome to the non-sterile area. This is non-sterile area where we load the complete soiled linens and sterile instrumentations completely. So this is one autoclave which will be loaded, and this will be second autoclave. This will be second autoclave. This is for the again sterilization purpose, which will be used if the load is more. Okay, either one will be on a standby, and we have the loading trolley for this autoclave. And here is a gas cutting machine with a pass box and electrical points. Complete panel board is here. How to operate automatically, complete autoclaving with auto mode and manual mode positions. Here we have the work table with the shelves for linens and other items, sorting out, packing everything. Here is a packing machine, sealing and packing machine, which is used for sterile purpose. We have to pack it in a particular sterilization packets where it will be sealed and put into the autoclave. And here is washer, disinfector. This is the instrument used for completely enzyme wash of all the instruments and the fabrics which comes from the OT. Which will come from the OT. First it will be washed and then put into the disinfectant. Then it will go to the autoclaving stage. So now we have again storage rack with all small, medium and large trays, instrument trays. All the instruments are stored in this and given a sterilization of 134 degrees at 20 psi, high speed sterilization. This is a washing station manufactured by Genis again. This is a complete setup done by them. So beautifully installed at particular places. Now here we have a drying cabinet. This is for drying purpose, instant drying. So no wet products will be put for all the instruments. This is also again, we have a set temperature here up to 300 degrees with a thermostatic digital controller. This is again loading trolley for autoclave. So again the basket is there. So there is one thing is missing here is ethylene oxide sterilizer and ultrasonic cleaner which is required here, which is the department has not ordered. So we will shortly will be supplying that, and those things will come here. Okay, thank you for this, and this is the complete setup we have done. So this is for all our customers who are happy to see this setup done by Messrs. Janice Technocracy. Okay, thank you. And he is our managing director, Mr. Gurpreet Taman, who is in charge and sole and complete designer of this CSSD department. Okay, and basically he is an engineer, so he knows everything about this in and out of this CSSD department. So he has done this beautifully. We appreciate his gesture, support for the complete hospitals, and anytime you can ask any questions, any information needed on CSSD department. Thank you.